Is Gravl really the best Fitbod alternative in 2026, or is it just another overhyped scam? Let's find out in this no-nonsense deep dive. So, what's the deal with Gravl? First things first, this app is totally legit. Gravl is not just some random pop-up in the App Store, it's available on both Apple and Google platforms, pulling in over $400,000 every month, and backed by a super responsive developer team. So, no, it's not a scam. But here's where some people get tripped up. The trial. You get 3 free workouts, and then bam, you hit a paywall. That's standard for Gravl. But if you're expecting a forever free app, you'll be disappointed. Now let's talk about what really makes Gravl stand out. The app uses some seriously advanced AI. It adjusts your weights, reps, and sets on the fly, based on how you're actually performing. You can even set up different gym profiles, whether you're at home with dumbbells or in a full commercial gym, and Gravl will only pick exercises you have the right gear for. It tracks your progress with a cool strength score and even schedules deload weeks to keep you from burning out. Oh, and there are over 300 trainer-led videos, so you'll never have to guess if your form is right. But it's not perfect. Some users have run into bugs and crashes, especially on Android, and syncing with Apple Watch isn't always smooth. The exercise library is solid, but if you love niche lifts, you might have to add them manually. Plus, the price isn't the cheapest, and the AI can sometimes get your routine a little out of balance. Think leg day, 5 days in a row, unless you tweak your settings. Bottom line, Gravl is absolutely legit, and honestly, it's one of the smartest fitness apps out there right now. Just be ready for the price tag, and take a minute to set up your preferences so you don't end up with an accidental squat marathon.